The St George's Day run was the brainchild of David Bell, who together with Alwyn Davis ran the first events as an informal run. They only expected a few cars, but the entrants arrived in droves. The event was kick-started in response to the Federation of British Historic Vehicle Club's plea to get vintage and classic cars out on the road for the public to see. Clearly, with the number of cars, things needed to get more organised, and the initial concept of a short run became a touring assembly. The event quickly outgrew its initial venue of the Black Bull at Old Langho and moved to Mitton Hall for the event seen here. Routes are different every year to keep the event fresh and planned to be suitable for vintage, classic and cherished cars. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next run.